Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, remote start, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.